So, in the last class, we have discussed about IDOR vulnerability in the HackerOne's reports, right? So, in this class, we can do the lab. Okay, let me start the perp. If you have any doubt, you can ping me directly on WhatsApp. And after completing each lab in Portugal, you have to complete a balance in that lab. Okay. For example, in this lab, I'm completing this thing, right? In security is a direct object reference. Only one lab I'm solving. So you have to complete balance lab daily. Fine? Okay. 1 second, let me open the browser also. Okay, fine. Let's wait till it gets completely loaded. Okay, here's my account. I think we got some credentials, right? No, the lab stores user chat logs directly to the system file system and retrieves them through static URL. Okay, we have to find the password of user Carlos and we have to log into that. Okay, fine. So go to live chat. Okay, let me send a message. Hello, I'm Nimsha. Sent. View transcript. There is so much noise coming here. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, yeah, here's the transcript, right? Where's the chat? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll clear this thing, everything. Clear history. Hi. Sent. View transcript. So this is a transcript. Live chat. Okay. So I'll send this to the repeater and also I'll send this chat to the repeater. Okay. So here, this is the transcript and I'll send this 3 not to font. That means there's a redirection. Yes. So we got a page get slash download transcript to 2.txt, right? So I'll change this to 1.txt. Hi, hi. You think I have forgotten my password? I think I have forgotten my password. I need to confirmation. So who's this? Wow, you're so nice, and I have read from another people. And your password is this thing. We got it. I'll show again. 2.txt is our transcript. Okay. When I changed this to 1.txt, we got the chat message of that Carlos user. Okay, and here is the password. Got it? So the lab is not solved. We have to log into that Carlos account. So click my account, Carlos, and the password. So the lab got solved. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of IDOR. And that's all for this video. Thank you.